Here's a step-by-step guide on buying PRVX with euros, Canadian dollars and pounds. Before we actually buy PRVX, here's why people are even paying attention to it. It's built around what's called deflationary tokenomics. All that really means is, over time, there's supposed to be less of the token available. And the way PRVX does that is by tying usage back into the token. So when people use the token and fees get generated, those fees don't just disappear, they're designed to interact with the token in a way that can reduce supply. The main idea is that more usage creates more pressure on the token, which causes less supply over time. If more people are using it while the supply is shrinking, that can push the value up. But that only works if people are using it, and because of that, it's a token on PulseChain that people are watching very closely. As more people use it and supply gets reduced, the price has room to move up quite a lot over time. Alright, let's get into how to actually buy it. First, you'll open up your browser and head to app.0xcoast.com. Then either sign in or create an account. Once you're logged in, make sure that your wallet is connected. Find and click the Deposit and Withdraw tab on the left. Select the option for local bank transfer and choose your region, EU, Canada or UK. From there you'll see the transfer details you'll need to send funds from your bank. Make sure you don't forget to add the memo which is provided on the Coast site. If everything's entered correctly, your deposit will show up shortly after sending the transfer. You'll see your funds appear in the top left corner. To use them to buy PRVX, go to the Buy and Sell tab on the left. For this example, we will use $5 USD. Select the PRVX icon in the drop-down menu, then click Check Price. Once the price appears, click Buy. After that, you'll see a pop-up that says Buy Initiated. After a short processing period, you will see the PRVX in your wallet. Find PRVX and more PulseChain assets today at app.0xcoast.com.